Welcome back to Mandy's Planet. Today I'm doing a southern side dish. It's skillet squash, zucchini, and potatoes with cheese. I'm using local produce from Parker's Farms. It's literally 4 minutes from my house. So let's go ahead and look at our ingredients here. So you've seen the squash and zucchini, potatoes. We have some cheese and then paprika, garlic powder, minced onion, chili powder, ground mustard, sea salt, and my favorite Irish butter. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Parker's Farm. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and I actually picked this up at the Walmart, but I think it's very cool that it's right near my house. It's a local farm, so let's see what it's gonna be like. So I've washed my vegetables up. I'm going to get ready to chop these up. I'm just going to cut off the top and the bottoms real quick. And then I'm going to slice these, I wouldn't say thick, but they're not really thin. They're kind of medium because my potatoes that I have are already sliced and I want everything to kind of be the same width. Okay, so now we're on our second squash here. And I've already added some squash in the skillet with some butter. And my skillet is already heated up. So now we're going to chop up our zucchini. We're going to do the same thing here, just take off the top and the bottom, cut that off, and then do our slices. Zucchini number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna put all of my veggies here in my skillet. And then I'm going to get ready to season them with the seasons I showed you. And I'm going to let my veggies cook down before I add the potatoes in. So first I'm adding in my sea salt, the ground mustard, chili powder, just doing a couple dashes of that, nothing crazy. Now I do love me some paprika, so when I put that on, it's going to be pretty decent amount. So some minced onion, and you can probably go ahead and slice up onions and put this in with this skillet dish. You can also do this dish as a casserole, but it takes a little bit longer to bake. So as you've seen, I put my paprika in. Now I'll put some garlic powder. Get ready to stir these up. And as you'll see, I probably will stir a lot because I'm trying to get the heat to go throughout the whole dish so everything can cook at an even pace. And I just love the bright colors with the yellow and the green and everything. It's really pretty. I really love some squash and zucchinis for the summertime. So what I'm going to do while that's cooking down, I'm going to start to season my potatoes. They're already boiled and sliced up. So we did sea salt, we have our chili powder now. I mean, I'm doing the same ingredients that I already put in with the zucchini and squash. Some minced onion, some paprika. Garlic powder. And I'm not going to put any of the ground mustard into the potatoes. So go ahead and give my veggies a stir. Let's get a close-up on how good these look. So beautiful. And it's going to be very yummy. Okay, I'm going to stir these potatoes up, get that seasoning coating on everything. So once the zucchini and squash cooks down, I'm going to add the potatoes in. Then it won't take much longer after that because the potatoes are already cooked. And this is a good side that you can do with like a steak dinner. You can do with anything really. Fried chicken, baked chicken. Do like a ham steak with it. Cheeseburgers. Okay, everything is starting to cook down really good. Yum. Let's go ahead and add the potatoes in. Don't worry, they're all going to fit in there. I'm going to add some more butter in. Give it another stir. And then what I'm going to do is add a little bit of cheese in, and then I'm going to put it into a casserole dish, and then I'm going to add more cheese on top. Yum, look at those steamy vegetables. And this really is a really good side dish, and the produce from Parker's Farms was excellent. So I really suggest that, you know, if you see it at Walmart or any of your other local grocery stores, to go ahead and pick it up because it's good. I mean, support local businesses, especially in this time that we're having. So here's the creamy melt Velveeta cheese. Not Velveeta, it's Philadelphia cream, like the Philadelphia cream cheese. It melts up really good. So like I said, I just put a little bit in with the skillet, and then once I get it into my casserole dish, my serving dish, I'm going to melt more cheese on top. Yummy. It looks so good. Okay, so here I have in a casserole dish where I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the rest of this cheese on top. I'm going to kind of blend it around in there too. And I mean, guys, this is a delicious side dish. I mean, even if you wanted to, you could just eat this alone, honestly. Have it for dinner, have it for lunch, anything like that. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I hope that you like, subscribe, and share to Mandy's Planet. And I hope that you try this recipe of mine. I mean, I'm sure there's a few other recipes out there, but I do it my own way. Looks so yummy. Thanks for watching Mandy's Planet. Bye.